guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoha and I'm back with a new slime recipe, which is butter slime. For butter slime we'll be needing PVA glue, shaving foam, yellow paint to get that buttery color, baby oil and eye lens cleaning solution. So the first thing, we add the PVA glue inside the bowl. After that, you add the shaving foam to make it fluffy, and then you mix it well. And then you add the yellow paint. And you mix it again. You mix it well that you get a perfect butter color. After that, you add the baby oil. And then you mix it again. Then you add the eye lens cleaning solution. Be needing more. Then after you mix it, you go with your hands a little because it will be a little sticky in the starting. But then once you play it with your hands, it will get less sticky. Just add a little. Once it's done, you just get everything out of your hand which is sticking to your hand. Then after this, you again add some baby oil, a few drops only. And then you mix it well that it goes all over the slime. And your butter slime is ready. Please love, like and share this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.